Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cloudflare Pages for global UI speed. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Cloudflare website. Navigate to the Cloudflare Pages section. Click on the Sign Up button. Choose your preferred login method, either using GitHub, GitLab, or a cloud-based email. Authorize Cloudflare to access your repository. Once logged in, click on the Create a Project button. Select the repository you want to connect with Cloudflare Pages. Choose the branch you want to deploy. Configure the build settings, including the framework and build command. Click on the Save and Deploy button. Cloudflare Pages will start building your project. After the build process is complete, you will see a preview of your site. Copy the assigned URL to access your deployed site. To set up a custom domain, navigate to the Custom Domains section. Click on the Add a Custom Domain button. Enter your domain name and validate it. Follow the provided instructions to set up the necessary DNS records. Cloudflare will automatically link your custom domain to your Pages project. Once the DNS changes propagate, your site will be accessible through your custom domain. And that's it. Your site is now deployed with Cloudflare Pages for enhanced global UI speed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.